Hello everyone, this is team AP085. We have done our project name Digital Life for Aid of Blind People. This is our team and we have done this project under the guidance of Mr. P. Shyam sir and Mr. S.K. Irfan Ali sir. Mainly targets visually impaired person or blind person, and according to WHO World Health Organization, there are more than 40 million persons facing many problems to become independent. The main problems which are faced by visually impaired persons are: the first and foremost problem faced by blind person is to navigate from one place to another place without the help of any other person or any other helping devices like stick, etc. Coming to the next problem, the blind person may not able to read the newspapers, notebooks, magazines as they are not written in Braille script format. They can only read the text which are written in Braille script. And the next problem is object detecting and avoiding. And this is the most obvious problem. As the person moves from one place to other, there will be many obstacles in path and the person has to avoid it and have to move forward. The next problem is face recognition. This problem is most common as the blind people will be unable to identify his or her family member or friends. Here we have come up with the solution. Navigation system, text to speech conversion, object detection and avoidance, and face recognition.
This is our setup consisting of a mini camera enabled with a specs, and this is our DE10-Nano FPGA board and the RFS card and the Raspberry Pi board, and these GPIO connections are meant for the multiplexing unit of the voice outputs and inputs. So to enable the user to listen, we have headphones enabled with a microphone, and for backup we have kept a power source, and for the demonstration purpose to generate an output we have kept some speakers, and this is the USB hub. And these speakers are wireless, which is operated from the Raspberry Pi board, and to the hub. From the hub it is given from the DE10-Nano FPGA board with this aux to USB connectors to the.
See the flow of design. This is the block diagram of the design. The block diagram consists of 4 stages. The first stage is information stage. In this stage, information from the surroundings are captured through camera, GPS and microphone and is fed to the next stage, which is processing and decision stage. The processing and decision stage consists of DE10-Nano board and Azure cloud. The DE10-Nano board is where we carry out the processing. This stage implements different processing techniques on the images and extracts the required information and makes decisions. The processing techniques are implemented in the HPS part of the DE10-Nano board. The control block consists of navigating the user safely to the desired location. The output block is where the commands are generated in audio format so that the user can move voluntarily and read books and recognize his or her friends.
So let's execute the code of these coordinates. So these are the continuous fetch of the user's current coordinates. By the help of these coordinates, the device will generate the appropriate directions to the user to navigate along the shortest path of the destination, and the corresponding directions will be generated like this.
The object detection block is completely processed in Azure Cloud Processing section, where the captured image is trained and compared with the pre-trained models of TensorFlow and CVLib, and the detected labels will be set for your voice output. To activate the face recognition, first the face need to be detected is compared with the faces of the persons in the database.
Let's see the text detection and recognition in DE10-Nano. Let's run the code here.
We found some text here. Would you like to read it or no need?
It asks the user whether to read the text or not. I suggest yes.
Your search 0 wants Titan fall. Increasing the price for shall coming. There. Next is the sun. 34 ends at 4:46 am.
Now it is reading the text.
Case size. The Blanker. NCDI. Residence in server.
For the demonstration of our prototype device, we require a blind person. Due to the unavailability, we are making our team member as a blind person by tying a ribbon so that he will be unable to see.
As soon as the user gives the destination location through microphone, the
Move
device
right.
switches the coordinates of the entire path from the user's current location to the destination
Move
location
forward.
using Azure Map. We also attached a GPS receiver that is dongle to user, which enables us to fetch current coordinates of the user. It compares the current coordinates with the data received from the Azure Maps and guides the user
Move forward.
accordingly for safely reaching the destination.
Move forward. Move forward. Move front right corner. Move forward. Move forward. Play card is detected. Move front right corner. Move right.
We found some text here. Would you like to read it or no need?
Yes.
Your search 01 Titan fall. Increasing the price for shall starring. There. Next is the sun.